towards the side. Just gently moving in and out. So we're starting to open up the hips, lengthen, relax the pelvic floor. We've got our hips elevated to have gravity helping us. And we're adding in the counting of the breath to help tap into our nervous system. When we're overwhelmed and stressed and constantly on the go, that nervous system can create a lot of extra tension. And most of the time with the pelvic floor, we have too much tension. We're not able to have the diaphragm descending down. It creates a lot of pressure. And that pressure is what's contributing to pelvic floor issues. So we need to be able to lengthen first and then retrain and strengthen afterwards. Okay, let's go through one more time here. This nice, gentle movement. It's not forcing anything. It doesn't have to be a really big breath. You don't have to crank and force the legs down. I'm going to bring it back up. Now we're going to take that block out. Just lower down, take a nice gentle breath in. We're going to inhale, sweep the arms, lift up overhead, press into the feet, lift those hips up towards the sky. And then slowly lower everything back down. We're going to bring the knees in towards our chest. You can grab behind the backs of the knees, grab those ankles. You can grab for the outer edges of your feet, pull